Video 5. Dissolved Oxygen. LaMotte Blu Kit.
To begin, rinse the sample bottle 3 times with sample water. Gently pour water into the glass sample bottle until overflowing. Use the screw cap with the triangle on the inside and screw back on to displace the correct amount of water. Don't shake the bottle or mix the water, as this will alter the oxygen content. Take the cap off and add 8 drops of manganese sulfate solution. Then add 8 drops of alkaline potassium iodide azide. Replace the cap and mix the solution well. Leave the solution to precipitate for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 8 drops of sulfuric acid. Replace the cap quickly and mix until all dark flecks have disappeared. Now, fill the titration tube with 20 milliliters of the sample mixture. Add 8 drops of starch indicator, which will turn the sample blue or black in colour. Replace the lid on the tube. Using the syringe provided in your kit, fill the sodium thiosulfate to the 0 marked on the side. Insert into the lid of the titration tube. Slowly, add the thiosulfate to the solution. After every drop, swirl the solution. Stop adding drops when the solution turns clear. Record the number on the side of the syringe where the plunger has stopped. If you had to refill the syringe a second time, refill again to the 0 mark, and when the test is complete, add 10 to your result. Discard the solution into your waste container. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more water testing procedures in our video series.